Hi guys, welcome back. Would you believe over a 15-year-old friendship? Ebuka's judging matter has gone to another level with the case of two friends who dragged themselves before Justice Olusola Williams after being friends for 15 years. The plaintiff, Christian Essien, told Ebuka and Justice Olusola that her friend, Joy Ada, who is the defendant, offered her the shop she was occupying so that she can start her business there. According to Essien, her friend would be leaving the shop for a new place soon, and she was introduced to one man called Lati as the landlord of the shop. After informing the Lati that she would love to renovate this shop before moving in, and he agreed, the plaintiff got the shock of her life when she was accosted by one Iya Bukola, who told her she is the new owner of the shop and she will not be letting the shop to her. Essien recounted that Iya Bukola told her that the shop belongs to her late father and that the said shop is what she inherited after the property was shared. She was therefore told to step off the property after. According to her, she had spent about 77,000 naira on renovations. That was why she had to sue her friend Ada on Ebuka's judging matters, alleging that she was aware of the pending property sharing and chose not to tell her, allowing her to spend money renovating the shop. When Ebuka, the counselor, asked the defendant Ada to defend herself, she said she does not have an idea why her friend of 15 years would drag her to judging matters after offering her a helping hand. She told the court she would not do such a thing to her friend, an argument that does seem to make sense to her friend. Justice Olusola, however, had some questions to ask Essien before giving her judgment. She asked her if the defendant had any gain from the renovation she did and if she gave her any money in the process. Her answer to the question saw no. She was also asked why did she not arrest Lati, who gave her the go-ahead to renovate the shop. She claimed her grouse was with her friend because her neighbor told her that Ada was aware of the development and allowed her to go into the trap. Justice Olusola, however, saw no logical reasoning in the plaintiff's argument as she subsequently dismissed the case. Though they might not continue their friendship after leaving judging matters, the issue of 77,000 naira might have finally been resolved. Alright guys, this is the episode 2 of Judging Matters, Ebuka Judging Matters. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned to Nigerian News and Entertainment to get more gist from the new reality show.